Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The trouble code U01B0 indicates a communication error between the Powertrain Control Module, PGM, and the 12-volt battery sensor via the local interconnect network, LIN. The PGM relies on signals from the battery sensor to manage various vehicle functions, including power management and battery health monitoring. If the PGM cannot receive these critical signals, it will store this error code to alert technicians of the issue. This diagnostic trouble code can be a sign of faulty wiring, a defective sensor, or an issue with the PGM itself. Understanding the impact of this error code is essential for maintaining vehicle performance and avoiding potential unintended consequences on the vehicle's electrical system. The DTC U01B0 involves several key components: the PGM, the 12-volt battery sensor, and the LIN communication system. The PGM, or Powertrain Control Module, acts as the vehicle's brain, managing engine and transmission functions by processing information from various sensors. The 12-volt battery sensor is responsible for monitoring the electrical state of the vehicle's battery and relaying this information to the PGM. It is typically located near the battery, and it connects through the LIN communication network, which transmits data between different vehicle systems. If any of these components fail to communicate properly due to a fault, the PGM will trigger the U01B0 error code. Troubleshooting this code will require inspecting these components' wiring connections and functionality thoroughly. Several factors can lead to the U01B0 error code. One common issue is loose terminals on the 12-volt battery sensor or the connections related to it. This can disrupt the communication pathway between the sensor and the PGM. Another potential cause is a faulty battery sensor itself, which may fail to produce the required signals. Additionally, a malfunctioning PGM can also lead to communication errors, as it may not be processing or interpreting the signals correctly. Each of these causes requires specific inspection methods to identify the faulty component and resolve it. As the U01B0 code may manifest through various symptoms, technicians should be alert for dashboard warning lights, particularly those associated with battery or electrical issues. Drivers might experience battery management problems, where the vehicle's charging system fails to maintain optimal battery voltage. This can lead to starting difficulties and unexpected power loss during vehicle operation. Understanding these symptoms is crucial for technicians in diagnosing the underlying problem accurately and in a timely manner. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U01B0 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode and waiting for 60 seconds. This preliminary check helps the PGM establish communication with the 12-volt battery sensor. It allows the system to initialize and may reveal if the DTC persists when systems are repowered. If the DTC reappears, it confirms the need for further investigation into the components linked to the LIN communication. If DTC P16E2 is indicated during this process, additional tests and inspections are necessary. During the second troubleshooting step, technicians should inspect all circuit connections associated with the LIN system, particularly at the 12-volt battery sensor. A meticulous examination for loose terminals is crucial, as these can significantly hinder communication. If any terminals are found to be loose or corroded, it may result in intermittent connectivity, leading to the U01B0 code. Ensuring secure connections is essential for optimal performance. These checks should focus on the negative terminal of the battery, as suggested by the diagnostic text. In troubleshooting step 3, the focus shifts to inspecting the 12-volt battery sensor. Since the sensor is integral to communication with the PGM, verifying its condition is essential. Look for any signs of physical damage or wear that may affect its operation. Technicians should also conduct inspections of the LIN bat sensor circuit to check for continuity or any shorts that could disrupt the communication pathway. This forms an essential part of a comprehensive diagnostic approach to resolving the U01B0 code. The fourth troubleshooting step involves confirming the functionality of the PCM, or Powertrain Control Module. If prior inspections indicate that other components, such as the 12-volt battery sensor and related circuits, are in normal condition, the PCM may be suspected as the source of the problem. Use manufacturer-specific diagnostic tools to access the PCM and run additional tests. Proper verification of PCM functionality is essential, as a malfunctioning PCM can lead to failure in effectively managing engine and system operations, thus contributing to the persistence of the U01B0 error. Once the necessary repairs have been completed, the next step is final repair verification. This involves clearing the DTC from the PCM using a diagnostic scan tool. After clearing the code, technicians should conduct a test drive of the vehicle to confirm that the U01B0 code does not reappear. It's essential to monitor the vehicle's performance, checking for any symptoms of electrical issues or warnings re-emerging. If the vehicle operates normally post-repair, it signifies a successful resolution of the problem. Preventive maintenance is critical for avoiding future occurrences of DTC U01B0. Regular inspections of wiring connected to the 12-volt battery sensor and other components in the LIN system can help identify potential faults early on. Ensuring that connections are tight and free from corrosion significantly reduces risks of communication errors. Furthermore, routine assessments of the 12-volt battery sensor's functionality can preemptively flag issues before they reach a point requiring significant repairs. Adhering to a preventive maintenance schedule contributes to overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, the U01B0 diagnostic trouble code is vital for understanding communication issues between the PCM and the 12-volt battery sensor. The primary components involved include the PCM, battery sensor, and the LIN system, each playing an integral role in vehicle management. Possible causes such as loose terminals, faulty sensors, or PCM issues necessitate careful inspection and attention. Symptoms of this error can lead to significant vehicle performance issues. Thus, technicians must be diligent in their troubleshooting and maintenance efforts. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps and emphasizing preventive maintenance, technicians can effectively address and resolve DTC U01B0, ensuring vehicle reliability and performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.